is nobody talking about how an Ohafia woman became a warrior because her husband was kidnapped and then fought to rescue her husband from the hands of the kidnappers. Ohafia is a society where rights to farmland are passed through the maternal line and where there were women, although rare, who joined the usually male Ekpe society. A number of Ohafia women, warriors, Dike, local and married into Ohafia are recorded in the history and folk tales of Ohafia. A version of this story tells of Nne Mbafo, who in war gear risked her life looking for her husband, who she thought was killed by enemies in Ibibio territory, putting her life in line. Nne Mbafo's intimidation of the enemies led to them revealing that her husband had in fact been kidnapped, and through her bravery, she was able to take him back to Ohafia. Another story tells of Inyang Ologu, whose husband, Itenta Obulopia, who hadn't taken hurt during battle and therefore hadn't solidified himself as Dike, a valiant warrior. As an Oyojo, a coward, his status opened him and his wife up to harassment and humiliation. Inyang Ologu took things into her own hands to secure the honor of her house. She took her husband into the forest of Unkalu, getting her battle-shy husband to accompany her with the expectation of harvesting palm fruits. While her husband scaled a palm tree, she shot 5 Nnong Mbibie men dead with her husband's gun, procuring several heads and arranging them in a long basket. On returning to Ohafia, she presented these heads to the Ikoro, the ancestral slit drum that traditionally receives sacrifices. As warriors hailed her husband, Inyang Ologu told the revelers to also sing praises of Inyang Ologu, who brought heads and gave the honor to her husband. Tell me in the comments if we still have women in this society that can carry out these brave feats carried out by these women.